How to delete search suggestions on Twitter. First, let's open your Twitter app. Click your profile in the upper left corner of your screen. Now, click Settings and Support and select Settings and Privacy. Then, in this screen, just select Privacy and Safety. After that, click Content You See, then explore Settings. Here, you can disable Twitter's suggestions on trends for you that is based on your location and who you follow. This will remove suggestions on your Twitter, and you can further improve this by going to the search icon on the bottom of your screen. And here, you will see the list of different trends in your country. And you can just go ahead and click on the three dots beside a trend that you don't particularly like. Then just click not interested in this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.